some of our weather watchers and see what kinds of numbers they are reporting. You can see we've got some single digits. We've got some numbers in the teens. So we'll go here to West Babylon. This is Elizabeth Murphy, and she says it is 8 degrees where she is. Yeah, that's just an idea of the kinds of numbers that we're going to see tonight, and there are more in the forecast, so let's go ahead and get to it. We're looking outside. Things look good, but they feel dangerously cold. We've got 16 degrees right now, but it feels like 3. It feels like 3 degrees out there. 19 degrees, that was the high temperature today. We hit that just before 3:30 in the afternoon. 39 is where we should be, so a full 20 degrees below where we should be for this time of the year. So here are the wind chills right now around the area. It feels like 7 below in Monticello. It feels like 5 below in Newburgh, 1 below in Islip. It feels like 0 in Edison and 3 below in Lakehurst. So we are just talking about these dangerously cold temperatures that continue. Huge area of high pressure set up in the plains, and you can see the circulation around it, just really tapping into some Arctic air that doesn't change for the next 6 days. So tomorrow we've got 25 degrees for a high temperature. It's better than what we had today. Problem is we still have these winds out of the west-northwest, 10 to 15 miles per hour. And when the air is this cold, even the slightest breeze makes it feel colder. So that 25-degree temperature will feel like it's between 5 and 15, depends on where you are in the area. We're also talking about a chance for snow. So things are cold and dry for your Tuesday, but as we head into Wednesday, we have about a 20% chance of seeing some snow move in late in the day. It's really Thursday, a Thursday event that we're watching, and it's a coastal system. So at this point, a 60% chance of seeing some snow. We want to show you a couple of models. This is the GFS because this particular scenario keeps that area of low pressure a little bit farther offshore, which means that some of our northern and western suburbs wouldn't see any snow at all. Nevertheless, they're saying roughly a 2-inch snow event for that. As we turn to the European model, it is also calling for roughly a 2-inch snow event. However, the area of low pressure would hug the coast, so the entire area would see some snow. That's the second scenario. Both systems really see this system moving in and bringing us the snow around lunchtime on Thursday. So could start as early as Wednesday night, definitely affecting us by lunchtime on Thursday. And I also want to take a look ahead. I mentioned it gets worse before it gets better. This is what I'm talking about. We take a look ahead to next weekend, the coldest air yet, even colder than what we've already seen. Your wake-up temperatures on Saturday morning, these are the actual temperatures, not the wind chill. 1 below for White Plains and Somerville, 8 below in Monticello. This is what we'll be waking up to next week, Saturday. Now, that is perhaps a little painful to think about, but then look what happens. So we've got 3 days of temperatures that'll be in the mid and upper 20s, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Could see some snow on Thursday. Then dangerously cold temperatures on Friday and Saturday, even more so than what we've been seeing. But on Monday, 34 degrees. It's not a typo. It's above freezing. We haven't done that in a while, and it's going to end this stretch in the icebox here. At least that's the way it looks now. So there's something to. There's the end.
Florida is coming. 34.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, it's better than what we're dealing with now.
Indeed.